Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
My brother right here.
Nice. Looks good. Are you wired at 1 ohm, half ohm, 2 ohm? Do you know?
So right now it's at 2 ohm.
Okay.
I need to wire it down at half ohm.
Okay. 45 amp hour?
Yep.
Nice. Is this the X series?
So no, that's the ZB5.
ZB5, okay.
We're going to D1.
Dual one, got it. So you could go either half ohm or 2 ohm. So are you letting it break in first, or?
Kind of. I have the SIA 3500 on it.
Yep.
So it was barely touching it.
Okay.
So that's why I had it at 2. Plus
Yes, sir.
the amp doesn't really handle half ohm too well.
Yeah. Very nice. I like it. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. I'm sorry, man. No, just So, could you tell me your name and what's in here? I know you said some of it already, yeah.
My name's Dakota. I've got single ZB5 15 D1, King's Lithium Bank 45. I got a cab 45. It's wired to 2 ohms.
Alright. Did you do any SPL test on it?
No.
No, okay. Very nice. And you took your seat out, okay. So was that for the bass system? To get louder, or
Yeah.
did you try it?
Yeah, because it was all stuck in the trunk.
Yeah. So the seats couldn't go down in this vehicle? What vehicle is it?
It's a Chevy Impala 2010.
Okay, got it, yeah. So taking the seats out, you got louder?
Yeah.
All right, nice. Is the sub broken in yet, or is it still breaking in?
It's still breaking in a little
It is?
bit.
Yeah.
I've been trying to
Oh yeah.
get it there.
Yeah,
since
slowly get there.
Still need to put more power onto it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Have you tried facing the sub the other way?
I haven't.
You haven't? Okay. I know, it depends on how you like it, but try facing it, or?
Some people, so if I flip it around, I've got to seal it
Yeah.
just to keep everything in the cab.
Yep. You never know. That's why I asked if you tried it or not. I like it, man. Be sure to give them a thumbs up for everyone and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Nice shirt, man. I like it. Vice President. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
She's so fucking sexy. But a goddamn mistress. Why have you wanna be my goddamn business? See you like I told you when I hit you up that time online. Watching how you moving is a motherfucking art piece. Will you be mine like the motherfucking car list? Chasing all my problems.
for around 1,500 watts. Yeah, man, because at 2 on that that amp is cut in half on power.
Yeah.
I like it, man. Very musical. Is the sub broken in yet, or is it still breaking in?
It's still breaking in a little bit.
Yeah.
I've been trying to get it there.
Yeah, slowly get there.
Still need to put more power onto it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Be sure to give them a thumbs up for everyone and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your name?
Dakota.
Dakota?
Dakota.
Nice shirt, man. I like it. Vice President. All right.
Sure.
You have a good day, man.
You too.
Good job. How low was that frequency?
So that was
25 hertz or
20,
probably
30, 28, and 25.
25, 28, 30 hertz. Awesome. Good job, man. Catch you later.